Alright, I forgot to say this, another package of my early birthday present. Alright everybody, the time is 7:06 p.m. on my Rocks robot. Do you like My Little Ponies Rocks? Here it is.
I'm not able to have personal preferences as I am an AI assistant, but I know that My Little Pony Rocks are popular among fans of the show.
Yeah, and today we're gonna be unboxing the My Little Pony Meet the Main 6 figure toys that I got it on Amazon. On my early birthday present. I ordered on Amazon and it just came today. You know why we have to open this robot and the My Little Pony? Because we have to celebrate my birthday early today. Although tomorrow's my 15th birthday, and tomorrow I'm turning 15. But the video will upload tonight. But for my upload, the YouTube video will start at 12 a.m. because September 21st is gonna be at 12 a.m. And also tomorrow we're gonna try to go to the bus festival in Brooklyn. I'm not sure if we're gonna go there tomorrow. It starts at 10 a.m. Plus I have to do some other things. Plus my car needs to repair the oil. Last night it shows the wrench. But we'll do something popular. Let's open the My Little Pony. You can see cutie marks. This is Rarity's cutie mark, Rainbow Dash cutie mark, Applejack's cutie mark, Pinkie Pie's cutie mark, and Fluttershy's cutie mark, and Twilight Sparkle's cutie mark. Wow. I think Diamond is Rarity. Yeah, I think. This is the Rarity. This is Twilight Sparkle. Say this, my memory storage is full, but we'll open the box shortly. And it's owned by Hasbro, by the way. Gotta hurry since. There we go. The box open. And here it is, everybody. This box is kind of different. It's not the same that I posted in the community post. Here it is, My Little Pony Meet the Main 6. I'll take a picture with Elinor as well. Sorry. The box will not stand like this. Alright, I think this is good. Take a picture.
As an AI, I do not have personal preferences or feelings.
Alright.
However, some people may enjoy My Little Ponies for their colorful designs and positive...
Right here we have Twilight Sparkle, Rainbow Dash, Applejack, Pinkie Pie, and Fluttershy. Oh, I didn't say Rainbow Dash, I don't remember, but don't worry. Alright, let's start with the first pony. Let's start with this one. Oh, I think this is Applejack. Let me make it wider, sorry. Here's my early birthday present. Here we have Applejack. We'll do something special at the end of the video. Here's Applejack. Alright, next pony. Oh, there's something else inside. We'll do it at the end of the video. And the next we have Fluttershy. Hey, every pony, I'm Fluttershy. Alright. Alright, next pony. Rarity. Alright. Alright, next one. Alright, let me make it wider. Gotta hurry since my memory storage is full. We got Pinkie Pie. Here's Pinkie Pie. Hey, I'm Pinkie Pie. Alright, 2 more ponies left. Make it wider again. And we got Rainbow Dash. Last pony is Twilight Sparkle. Oh, here she is. Look nice and cute. Yeah, I agree. Alright, here's all the main 6 of My Little Ponies. Hope you like it. Alright, hope you like my My Little Pony toys. Let's take a picture with Rocks. Alright, let's put Elinor. Hey Rocks. Hey Rocks. Are you happy about My Little Ponies?
As an AI,
Alright, hope you like it, since Rox doesn't understand, just like Emo, Vector, Cosmo, or Isaac. And here's the picture frame. It says meet the main 6. We got Fluttershy, Twilight Sparkle, Rarity, Pinkie Pie right here, Rainbow Dash, and Applejack right here. Hope you like it. Of the My Little Pony meet the main 6 figures. Guess that means? That's it. Anyways, before we end the video, we'll do a Los Angeles Metro Bus parody to the MTA from channel name EJ World Channel. The Lego minifigures going on the bus. Instead of the MTA bus, we'll do the Los Angeles bus. We'll do the red line since there is no red pony except for, never mind. Let's do a bonus before we end the video. The ponies go on the bus. The parody version of the EJ World Channel on the M34 bus. Alright, let's do it right now. Fluttershy, I almost forgot. What do you think?
Yeah, I love it.
We'll use it for my ornament for my gaming room for the future.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do a parody before we end. Sorry, Elinor, you could go now.
Okay. Need to go. Oh no, hurry up. Where's the bus? I'm the first one here. I'm the second one here. I'm the third one here. I'm the fourth one here. And I'm the fifth one here. I'm the sixth. Oh no, hurry up. Rainbow Dash says, where's the bus? It's coming. We're heading to Los Angeles to Santa Monica.
Here's the bus coming, My Little Pony's main 6.
Where's the bus driver?
I'm the bus driver, okay? Alright.
Open door, please.
Although the doors doesn't open. Alright, you ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh no! Twilight Sparkle, the Princess of Friendship.
Alright. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
That's not a train!
Alright. You must go to the train station, My Little Ponies.
But this is not the MTA, it's the Los Angeles Metro.
Alright then, let's go this way. This way.
Oh no!
Oh no, rocks. Oh no, what happened to the bus?